Oh my god, I've never seen it like in my life. Oh my god, you smashed that rock. Oh. Oh, that is minging. Oh, this is carnage at its finest. I love it because everyone gets so wild in the woods. And for some reason, once you're wet, you don't care. Oh, I chose the wrong line. That's fun. Let's go where they went then. Maybe that's a better line. I'm going to go map 1. Full send. It's looking so good. Wow. Oh, that felt good. Just had to bounce over every single rock that's buried in here. And there's a lot of them. Wow, huge. I'd come out of that unscathed. That's nice. Oh, that's, no, hit one there. Whoa. Yeah, that didn't work out too well. I'll wait for you to go through. You've got to stay in the trees on a day like this because it's so wet. Where's that go? Nowhere. Here's the start and the end is at the end of those woods. You have to try and jump this without going silly and going over the bars. That's what I'm going to plan. Whoa. Oh, look at this. You can see all the water in there. Oh, that was amazing! Oh, that was amazing! I know. I know. You had a sprint race with the bike. Oh, don't go in there. Is anyone coming? This is going to be fun. I can't wait till we get to this bog. Those boys are going to send it. Whoa. It's actually quite grippy. Okay, nearly there. You think? My God, you nearly you dived in there. Is my lens clean or no? Whoa! Oh! Okay, man down! Jump it! Oh. Hey, Goose, you alright? I fell off in here. Oh, that's how you do it! That was amazing. What's happening to me is not amazing. In hand. I've been in that hole before. Yeah, that's why I stayed left, but I forgot to mention that. Oh, that's deep. Oh wow. Oh my God. Are you alright? Did you injure? Oh my God, look how deep it is. Oh my God, I've never seen anything like it in my life. 1, 2, 3. It's in, isn't it? That's deep as shit, that, isn't it? You know where my bike is? You gotta jump Go diagonal across the ruts to the left and jump it. I'm so screwed. Oh, that's muddy. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so tired after that. Oh. Well, bogs are kind of fun. I came straight off. Oh. Should have seen the hole he was in. Wow. What's going on here? Adam's bike won't start in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah. Come on, run, boy.
That's a sight. This is not a good place to not work.